it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space I have a video for you guys, which is a re-upload of a video that I did a long time ago. Now if you are an oldie but goodie, you will recognize this DIY because I did it on this channel when it was called Chad and Lacee TV. So for all of my new subscribers, you should know this channel used to be mine and my boyfriend's, and we did all kinds of different little tag videos and recreations and some vlogging and stuff. However, once his job picked up, he was unable to join me on the channel and it changed to Lacee's Space in 2017. And so prior to that, I had uploaded a DIY that I did that I am in love with, that I've been asked to share. I asked you guys on Instagram and on Facebook if you wanted to see it, but before that, other friends of mine said, why don't you share that video, because it wasn't out very long when it was Chad and Lacee TV. The audio was messed up on it, and there was also a big blank section because I was learning to do YouTube and editing and corrupt footage, and so I am going to be trying to show you what I did where that corrupt footage was. And it uses these carvable pumpkins. So let's get started. Okay, now here we are with the finished project, and the footage for where I did the adornments underneath the charger top is all missing. That was all corrupt, and the audio was messed up after all of that. So let me tell you exactly how I did it. Now first of all, down on the bottom pumpkin, this black is a leather. It is leather ribbon. I know they sell this at Michael's. It is not over in the ribbon section. It's over with the leather working stuff. So I know a lot of people are going to say, where did you get that? What is it? It is leather. I already had it in my stash. I ended up with a big roll of it for a very long time. I'm out of it now. You don't need to use leather there. You can just put another ribbon. You can put a black one. If you want the same colors that I have, I was going for a black and white kind of theme with a little bit of muted orange because my kitchen is mainly black and white most of the time. So let me show you all the ribbons and tell you how I did this. Number one, you put down the charger first. If you put down all of the ribbons and stuff on top of the pumpkin that's on top, your charger will not sit straight and it will not be level and you won't be able to use it for anything. I actually use mine for serving muffins and stuff, as you can see in the picture that was in the thumbnail and that I'm going to show you here at the end. But the charger is not food safe. So you have to put another plate or a doily or something down on it. It says right on the charger, it's not food safe. Now, to do the ribbons, I had this black and white polka dot ribbon. It came from Joann's or Michael's Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, they all have black polka dot ribbon on white right now. So if you want one exactly like this, that's where you would get it. This one here is a black ribbon with gold chevron. I also got this at Joann's, I do believe it was, or Michael's. I'm not sure which store carries this 360 line, but I've had this in my stash forever, and so if you want that, you can look for that at one of those stores. I also ended up getting this Halloween ribbon, and it is a light orange. I wanted something with light orange. It just happens to have a little bit of black around the edge, and I thought it was really cute. I also ended up using this black and white stripe ribbon, and they have this everywhere. I think I ended up getting this one actually from Walmart. Walmart carries a lot of these ribbons too. I can't guarantee that the black and white with the polka dot is there, but I know they do have polka dot ribbon, and it might be cheaper than the craft store. Also, Dollar Tree carries a bunch of ribbons. These are the ones I have on hand right now, but they even have more and some prettier ones that you can do this with all Dollar Tree products, and you don't have to purchase anything from another craft store. Also, it has leaves and little berries underneath of it. They're really light colored leaves and light berries with a little bit of gold on them. Those came from Dollar Tree as well. I just took them off of multiple different garlands that I had that had Dollar Tree products on it, so I could get all the lighter leaves instead of using greens and stuff. These are all light orange. So in order to put these ribbons on, since you put down the charger first, you take like the black and white one if you want to do it like I did, and you just cut a piece, fold it in half, put a little hot glue on it, and then tuck it underneath. That's how I did it. I tucked it underneath and glued it in there. It's just that easy. The same thing with the leaves. I just took a leaf, a little dot of hot glue, and pushed it in there, and the same thing with the berries. All of that footage was not available. That's another reason why the video ended up coming down. This is quick. It's easy. I will warn you, do not spray paint the orange pumpkins. They will melt with the spray paint and look horrible, and you will be angry. So make sure you hand paint them. You can chalk paint them, you can acrylic paint them. I have done both. The white on these is acrylic paint. The reason I adorn them the way that I did is because I saw them in several pictures and at like places like Home Goods, and I thought it was really nice. Also, the little thumbtacks, these are kind of antiqued. Dollar Tree sells thumbtacks in silver and in gold. I don't know if they have an antique one, but if you want yours to look like this, you could buy the gold ones and then put a whole bunch of them down in a piece of cardboard and then hand paint or spray paint over them, and then once they're dry, take them out and put them in the pumpkin. That's just the easiest way to paint thumbtacks that I have found. So that is it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing all of my videos. And if you are not a member at Lacee Space yet, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. And you can also follow me over on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. You best bet I will be posting, oh, I already did. I posted pictures of this project, and I have another project that's going to be coming up with these carvable pumpkins too, so you might want to follow me over there because that project will be posted over there as well. So that is it, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, loves.